Hello, history lovers. Welcome to my channel. Today, the topic is Cold War. As we know, Cold War was one of the most atrocious time to live in the history of mankind because it was not clear from where, when, and why a nuclear bomb come and explode in your city. Because it was a time of almost 50 years when the world's most two powerful nations were at the verge of full-fledged war. It was an atrocious time to live, really. It all started at the end of the Second World War when Germany was divided into two separate nations, East and the West. The East Germany came under the Soviet Union.
Идет сражение в Берлине. Бой Весь мир волновала в эти дни радостная весть. Красная армия в Берлине. Решающий удар нанесен. Война бушует в берлинских кварталах. Полной мерой получает Берлин за все.
Nations, East and the West. The East Germany came under the Soviet Union, but the other one came under the influence of the Allied forces, mainly from the United States or the France. The West part gained its independence in 1948. In 1949, the United States, along with some other European countries, managed to make an association called the North Atlantic Trade Organization, or the NATO for short, promising each other member to help militarily and financially if needed anytime in the future. This made the Soviet Union furious, and the Soviet Union think that the country is unsafe from the European neighbors, because in the past many times the Soviet Union has been invaded by German, Austrian, French, or the British or the French invaders. So therefore, Soviet Union gives full focus and potential over to its military and to its economy to develop it. That time in Soviet Union, the life of an average worker was very hard too. The Soviet government needs very much work from an average worker, and thus they pushed their economy in the frontiers of the limits. Soviet Union in those days invest a huge sum of amount in their militarily, especially on their nuclear weapons and their Akula class submarines, which were capable of carrying 200 nuclear missiles at once at any time in any part of the world. This made the United States and the NATO very furious and unsafe. And therefore, many times the European power and the United States have conducted many of the exercise with their naval fleets, their military, or their air force. In 1984, the United States, along with Britain, launched its Trident III missiles, which were capable of hitting Moscow and many other bigger cities of Russia, or so-called Soviet Union. For the response, the Soviets deployed its ballistic missile capable of nuclear warheads in Cuba, a Caribbean country at the verge of United States naval forces. This made the United States, along with other NATO countries, very shocked. Then things go much worse when United States and NATO put many sanctions on Russia and its allies. This made the Soviet Union very aggressive, and thus the Soviet Union decided to give its Akula class submarines the permission to go to the Caribbean and search for USA ships and sink them. But on that day, a miracle happened when a Soviet submariner refused to launch a missile on the USA naval forces, stopping a full-fledged nuclear battle between the world's two most powerful nations. But these things were just the reason. The real thing was shown in this video clip. This is the race between the United States and the Soviet Union to start the Cold War.